Let me handle my business. 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 I said young was busy counting money. I dare you niggas count me out. Made you niggas strap stars. Gave you something to trap about. Gave you niggas streaks is watching trapper die. The inspiration during the recession in the drought. Who gave you niggas motivation? Now the streets is talking, niggas is plotting. Public enemy #1, feel like Bin Laden. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm about to blow up. See me off in platinum 2-1, I'm getting toe up. Take that vodka straight to the head. I'm like, you know what? Just keep it turned up on these niggas, cause they don't know us. If you never hustle, don't matter now, then you don't know that black 745 on they ass, like I'm gon' show y'all. Let me handle my business. 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 I said you can get with this, or you can get with that shit. Recompressed, ready to rock, never coming back shit. Have you whipping all day and all, that's for practice. Our heads let us pray 20 years under my mattress. Now lay me down to sleep, I had them street dreams. Why the hell you think all my songs sound like a street thing? Never spoke the shit where you stay, guess that's a street thing. In the streets 24/7, just like a street team. Somewhere off in a lonely cell, somewhere in prison. They laying there with their eyes closed, seeing my vision, cause they know we cut from the same cloth. Perfect precision, they just glad I left the game when I did. Perfect decision, let me handle my business. 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 All hail to the trapper, Highness, your one and only. You know I gotta do it for Shake. I miss the homie every day. I'm out here making them proud. He looking on me. Never thought I'd say this too loud. Good looking homie. He say fuck them popcorn ass niggas. That shit is corny. And motherfuck them fake ass niggas. Thought you was phony. Gotta do it for the niggas you serve, just like you Tony. They come from every day from flipping them birds, just like you shown this. Put so many miles on the bucket, it need a oil change. Took them bitches out in the garage and left them all stained. You know that shit be taking forever, we call it oil base. Make you frying up when you see it, call that the oil face. Let me handle my business.